Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called PTCshare, right? And maybe you're wondering, can you really make money just for watching ads, right? Is this legit? Is this a good way to make money, right? Are there better ways to make money? Let's find out. Let's check this website out, okay? Now, anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, click the link all the way below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Websites like this, where you watch ads, different business models, different courses, different, make money online websites. And I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. A lot of them are a waste of time. Some of them are pretty good. So let's check out PTCshare to find out whether this is good or a waste of time, all right? Now, PTCshare is basically a pay-to-click website. That means you come on here, you can log in from anywhere in the world, you can create a free account, right? You know, they've got all sorts of different languages, okay? And this is a legitimate website, all right? And you can log in and you can watch ads, basically, and essentially that's all it is. Now, this is how it works, okay? People come here as clients to advertise their stuff. All right, so that's why you can see here advertisers, but you're not an advertiser, you're going to be an earner. All right, that means you're going to come here, you're going to log in, you're going to watch videos. Now, this is the way it works. After you log in, you can literally sit there the whole day, 24 hours if you want, and you can watch videos. But this is how it works. Every single video is between 5 seconds and 30 seconds long. After you watch the video, you have to fill out a captcha form, okay, a captcha code. Now, the captcha code is the problem, and that's what takes the most amount of time, all right? Sometimes the captcha code could take you 15 seconds. It could take you 30 seconds, depending on how complicated it is, all right? Then after that, they show you another video, which could be another 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and then you have to fill out another captcha form, right? So every video takes a long time for you to complete because they show you 2 captcha forms and they show you a couple of videos, and so it's a very, very annoying process, all right? Now, sure, if you wanted to, you could sit there and you could do this all day, right? You could sit there, you could watch videos, fill in the captcha form and watch videos all day. But the problem with something like this is you cannot cheat, okay? Because they want to make sure that you're really watching the videos. They don't want people just to, click on the video and then just leave it there on their dining room table and just let it kind of, run videos. That's not how it works. After every video, you have to fill out a captcha form so that they know that you're a human being and that you're really watching the videos, because they want to make sure that they're giving value to their advertisers, okay? Which is fine. That's perfectly okay. Now, the big question is how much money do you make for every video that you watch? Now, here's the thing, right? It says here, okay, if you go back to the start, it says interact with advertisers and earn up to $1 plus per ad view. Okay, now this is an extremely misleading statement, all right? Because for the most part, for every single video that you watch, you will earn a fraction of a cent. You heard me correctly. You're going to earn a fraction of 1 cent. So you don't even earn 1 cent for every video that you watch, all right? And that's the reason why when you come here and you look at the top earners, look at this, all right? And this is the thing that I do like about PTCshare, is they're very honest, okay? They're not saying that people are making hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars by watching video ads. They're literally earning, look at this. This is the top 48-hour earners. So that means in the last 2 days, the highest earners have only earned 35 cents, 33 cents, 32 cents, 19 cents, and 17 cents, okay? Now, I want you to think about that for a second. That means that the people that have put in the most amount of effort, and usually on these, and by the way, guys, I have reviewed hundreds, thousands of websites by now, right? GPT style websites and things like that. And every time you go to the top earner section, these kind of people have put in like 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day. I mean, there's some serious, they put in a serious amount of work. This is not like half an hour of work a day, okay? It's like they're spending their entire day on the website. Some people probably even longer. Maybe some of them are spending 20 hours a day, okay? And in a 48-hour time frame, the top earners in the world have only earned an average of 20 cents. I want you to think about that for a second. That means that in 1 day, in a 24-hour period, they're earning roughly about 10 cents, and they're probably spending hours and hours and hours and hours watching these video ads. And that's why I say at the start that you're only earning a fraction of 1 cent per video that you watch, okay? So it's not that you can't make money from this website. They are legitimate. They do pay out. All right, you can see these cash outs here, but you can see the cash outs are very small because people have to work on this website for days and days and weeks before they ever hit $1. Okay, so the big question is not that PTCshare doesn't work. It works. It's a legitimate site. You really do watch ads, you fill in captcha forms, and they will pay you for the views that you watch. The question you should ask yourself is this worth your time, right? Because if it's going to take you 48 hours to earn 20 cents, that means 10 cents a day for watching videos for 10 hours a day. Is that really worth your time? You know, I mean, I don't think it is at all. I mean, I've reviewed so many strategies. I've put in so much of my own money to test different strategies, different websites. I think that there are much better ways to make money online out there. You know, if you value your time and you don't want to trade your time for money, you should not be making 10 cents every 10-12 hours just for watching videos. Yes, I understand that it's a low income skill set. You don't have to do anything. You don't really need any skills. You just watch this, you fill out a captcha form, you make a tiny bit of money, but they're literally paying you a fraction of 1 cent for every single video. I think it's a massive waste of time. Okay, so if you want to, you can come here, PTCshare, you can watch some videos, you can fill out some captcha forms, and they will pay you. But I think that your time is much more valuable than, you know, 10 cents for 10 hours of work, right? I mean, if you're going to be putting in 10 hours a day online, you should be making hundreds and thousands of dollars, okay? And I know that sounds like a lot of money, but remember, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different make money online strategies, and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and I've seen strategies that pay you hundreds of dollars per hour, not, you know, fractions of a cent for every hour of time that you put in. It's just ridiculous. Okay, so I don't recommend PTCshare at all. I mean, you can check it out if you want, but I think it's a complete waste of time. All right, now if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make big money online, and again, like I mentioned, I have reviewed so many strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've put in my own money. I've tested a lot of them myself. A lot of people don't do that, right? I've actually tested with my own money. I've spent thousands of dollars testing strategies, and out of all the ones I've tested, there's one strategy that changed my life in 2019, right? I used it to quit my full-time job forever. I work full-time from home right now. I don't have a boss. I'm my own boss. And I 5 times my old corporate salary. Okay, I make multiple 5 figures a month from this strategy, and it changed my life, right? So I think it's great for a beginner. It's great for anyone that has never made a cent online. You can do this from anywhere in the world. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass that shows you how to do this step by step. Click the link all the way at the bottom and you can check it out if you would like. Okay, I wish you all the best with your money making endeavors. Again, I think PTCshare is a massive waste of time, even though it is legit, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.